Gadgets Hub. Welcome back to the channel where technology meets clarity and every detail matters. Today we're diving into one of the most premium and rugged smartwatches ever created, the Apple Watch Ultra 2, a device that isn't just a smartwatch but a statement of durability, performance, and advanced innovation, designed for those who demand more from their wearable. Whether you're an athlete, an adventurer, or someone who simply appreciates top-tier technology on your wrist, this watch brings a bold design paired with powerful features that redefine what a smartwatch can truly do. Starting with the design, the Apple Watch Ultra 2 features a striking titanium case that not only looks premium but also offers exceptional strength while remaining surprisingly lightweight, making it ideal for extended wear even in the most demanding environments. The larger display is one of its standout aspects, offering an incredibly bright screen that reaches up to 3,000 nits, making it one of the brightest smartwatch displays ever created, ensuring perfect visibility even under harsh sunlight or extreme outdoor conditions. Whether you are hiking under direct sun or diving into reflective water surfaces, the flat sapphire crystal display enhances durability while maintaining a sleek modern look that feels both rugged and refined, giving users confidence that the device can handle everyday wear as well as extreme adventures. The customizable action button on the side adds a new level of convenience, allowing users to quickly access their most used features, whether it's starting a workout, marking a waypoint, activating a flashlight, or triggering a shortcut without navigating through menus, which significantly improves usability, especially in fast-paced situations. Moving on to performance, this watch is powered by Apple's advanced silicon, delivering faster processing, smoother animations, and improved efficiency compared to its predecessor, making every interaction feel fluid and responsive. Whether you are opening apps, scrolling through notifications, or tracking a workout in real time, the addition of the new chip ensures that apps load quicker, health tracking is more precise, and overall performance feels seamless even when multitasking across different features, which is particularly important for users who rely heavily on their smartwatch throughout the day. Battery life is another area where the Apple Watch Ultra 2 truly shines, offering extended usage that can comfortably last through long adventures, workouts, and even multi-day excursions, especially when using low-power modes designed to stretch battery life even further without sacrificing essential functionality, making it a reliable companion for those who spend extended periods away from charging points. For fitness enthusiasts, this watch is a powerhouse, offering a wide range of advanced workout tracking options from running and cycling to swimming, hiking, and even more specialized activities with precise metrics that help users understand their performance in detail, including pace, distance, elevation, heart rate zones, and recovery insights. The dual-frequency GPS system significantly improves location accuracy, making it ideal for outdoor activities where precision matters most, such as trail running, mountain climbing, or navigating through dense urban areas where signals can often be inconsistent. The depth gauge and water resistance capabilities make it suitable for divers, providing essential data like depth, water temperature, and dive duration, ensuring safety and confidence during underwater exploration while also opening up new possibilities for adventure seekers. Health tracking remains a core strength of the Apple Watch Ultra 2, with features that go beyond basic monitoring, including continuous heart rate tracking, blood oxygen measurement, sleep analysis, temperature sensing, and advanced cycle tracking, all working together to give users a comprehensive view of their overall wellness, allowing them to make informed decisions about their health and lifestyle. The watch also includes advanced safety features such as fall detection, crash detection, and emergency SOS, which can be life-saving in critical situations, offering peace of mind whether you're exploring remote areas, traveling alone, or simply going about your daily routine, knowing that help can be reached when needed. One of the most impressive additions is the improved display technology, which not only enhances brightness but also supports a more efficient always-on mode, ensuring that important information is visible at a glance without draining the battery excessively, which is especially useful during workouts or outdoor navigation where quick glances are essential. The modular Ultra Watch face is designed specifically for this device, making use of the large display to show more data points at once, allowing users to customize their watch face with widgets that matter most to them, such as weather, activity, compass, altitude, or calendar events, creating a highly personalized and information-rich experience. Connectivity is seamless with support for cellular and Wi-Fi, ensuring that you stay connected even without your phone, allowing you to make calls, send messages, stream music, access maps, and use apps directly from your wrist, which adds a new level of independence and convenience, especially during workouts or travel. The integration with the Apple ecosystem remains one of its strongest advantages, enabling smooth synchronization with other Apple devices, making it easier to manage Notifications control smart home devices, unlock your devices and access services effortlessly, creating a unified and cohesive user experience that feels natural and intuitive. The audio capabilities have also been enhanced with improved microphones and speakers, delivering clearer calls and better voice interactions even in noisy environments, which is especially useful during outdoor activities where wind noise and ambient sounds can interfere with communication. The rugged build combined with precise engineering ensures that the Apple Watch Ultra 2 can withstand extreme conditions from high altitudes to deep waters, making it a reliable companion for those who push their limits, whether you are climbing mountains, exploring forests, or diving into the ocean. Despite its robust nature, the watch does not compromise on comfort, featuring a design that sits securely on the wrist, making it suitable for all day wear, whether you're working out, traveling, or simply going about your daily routine without causing discomfort or fatigue. The variety of bands available adds another layer of customization, allowing users to choose styles that match their activities, whether it's a durable alpine loop for outdoor adventures, a trail loop for lightweight comfort, or an ocean band designed for water sports, each offering a secure fit and premium feel that complements the overall design of the watch. Software plays a crucial role in enhancing the overall experience, with watchOS bringing new features and improvements that make the device smarter and more intuitive, from enhanced widgets to improved navigation, smarter notifications, and better app integration. Everything is designed to make interactions more efficient and enjoyable while reducing unnecessary complexity. The integration of Siri allows for hands-free control, enabling users to perform tasks quickly using voice commands, whether it's setting reminders, checking the weather, sending messages, or controlling smart home devices, adding another layer of convenience to the overall experience, especially when your hands are occupied. The Apple Watch Ultra 2 also focuses on sustainability with a design that incorporates environmentally friendly materials and processes, aligning with Apple's commitment to reducing its environmental impact without compromising on quality or performance, which is an important factor for many users today who are conscious about their environmental footprint when it comes to real-world usage. The watch excels in delivering consistent, reliable performance, whether you're tracking a marathon, navigating through unfamiliar terrain, monitoring your daily activity levels, or simply using it as an extension of your smartphone. It adapts to your needs and provides accurate insights that help you stay informed, motivated, and in control of your daily routine. The improved sensors and algorithms ensure that the data you receive is not only detailed but also meaningful, helping you make better decisions about your health, fitness, and overall lifestyle, while also identifying patterns and trends that can lead to long-term improvements. The user interface is intuitive and easy to navigate, making it accessible even for those who are new to smartwatches, while still offering advanced features for experienced users who want to dive deeper into customization, performance tracking, and data analysis, providing a balanced experience that caters to a wide range of users. The Apple Watch Ultra 2 is not just about features but about delivering an experience that feels premium in every aspect, from the build quality to the software integration and overall usability. It sets a new benchmark for what a high-end smartwatch should be, combining innovation, reliability, and design excellence into a single device that stands out in a competitive market. While it comes at a premium price, it justifies the cost with its combination of durability, performance, advanced capabilities, and long-term value, making it a worthwhile investment for those who want the best of the best in wearable technology and are looking for a device that can keep up with their lifestyle without compromise. In conclusion, the Apple Watch Ultra 2 stands out as a powerful, versatile, and reliable smartwatch that caters to a wide range of users, from fitness enthusiasts and adventurers to everyday users who want a premium device that enhances their lifestyle. With its robust design, advanced features, seamless integration, and exceptional performance, it redefines the smartwatch experience and sets a new standard in the industry, offering a perfect blend of style, strength, and smart functionality that is hard to match. If you're looking for a device that combines cutting-edge technology with practical usability and long-lasting reliability, this is undoubtedly one of the best options available today, and a true representation of how far wearable technology has evolved. Thank you for tuning in to Gadgets Hub, where we bring you the latest and greatest in technology with clarity, precision, and passion. Stay connected, stay informed, keep exploring the world of innovation, and we'll see you in the next one Gadgets Hub.